that guy. Didn't even notice these tanks. This is a cool science museum in Bemidji, Sarah found. Wow. She told the homeschool group to come here, and this was sick. Got to come after work. This is cool. Look at that dude.
Did you see the chinchilla in the bunch?
What's up, dude? He like literally watches everybody. Did you like that, Holden? Pretty cool to work here. They just play games all day. This dude is exactly like, he is like, I'm so done. Look how sick he is. How beautiful. Look at all these guys. You got tortoises everywhere? Huh? That dude, he's just hiding out. He's like, screw this place, dude. Never good. Those look like sort of the palmetto bugs in Florida. Not that they weren't that thick, but Oh, look at that dude.
Yeah.
Job, Luna. I didn't know milk snakes get that long. Oh, yeah, that's cool, huh, Luna?
Look at this spider.
What's in this?
Spider's in here. No, Dad. The spider's in here.
Yeah, I had a tarantula too. Yep, there he is. Oh, my uncle had these guys. Yeah, this is so cool.
Oh, look at that one. Ow.
You okay, Luna?
Yeah.
Jeez, be careful. What's in here? Oh, is he? Oh.
Let me look at the lizard. Yeah.
There's an owl upstairs too.
This is a cool
Dad.
place. Look at this place. This is actually pretty cool. I hear my kids. Sarah invited me to come to the Science Museum. We got passes here in Bemidji. This is looking cool already. Okay.